Heads are reportedly rolling at Zimbabwe's power utility following a nationwide embarrassment in parliament on Tuesday when a power blackout plunged the new Mount Hamad building in darkness during President Emmerson Mnangagwa's State of Nation address. Sona sadapenda mashoko kuda panguva ino since aiwa musoro yotungana aiwa after Mnangagwa's parliament humiliation. Do subscribe or like or turn the bell like tipi na mnao obudani kwa mchinzi. The dramatic outage occurred just as the 83-year-old president was nearing the end of his speech, forcing him to continue reading under torchlight as security aides scrambled to restore order. According to government sources, Energy and Power Development Minister July Moyo has ordered disciplinary action against senior management and the Zimbabwe Electricity Transmission Distribution Company, ZETDC. Its managing director, Abel Gurupira, is said to have been suspended with immediate effect, though officials insist investigations are ongoing to determine the exact cause of the failure. President Mnangagwa was delivering his address to officially open the third session of the 10th Parliament when the lights went out. It has since emerged that Parliament had deliberately opened to run the event on a higher generator, salinating ZESA's power supply in an attempt to avoid a repeat of the embarrassing blackout that occurred during the 2024 national budget presentation. A letter from Parliament dated October 21, 2025 and signed by Acting Clerk Nomasonto Audrey Songa instructed local government minister Secretary John Kasera to ensure the generator was fully serviced and tested ahead of the event. It is noted that there is an approved arrangement to run the event using the generator as a primary source of power with the ZETDC power on standby following previous power disruptions, Songa wrote. However, the plan backfired. Sources said ZESA power was manually switched off at midday and the generator took over only to fail around 2:30 p.m. as Mnangagwa approached the conclusion of his speech. The automatic switch over to ZESA supply did not occur because engineers from the local government ministry had incorrectly configured the breaker. Power was eventually restored manually after more than 5 minutes. As darkness fell, one of the president's aides illuminated his nose with a flashlight while Mnangagwa pressed on with his address, a moment captured on camera and widely shared on social media. Ndo mashoko aripo murezi makuchitiko aiwa tikaita nemutungamiri wenyika aiwa vashoredzwe aiwa vashode nakome section medu dzafunguro aim kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.